In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can exit safe mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So if for some reason your phone have issues and it automatically boot into safe mode, then the easiest way to exit safe mode is simply restarting your device. So all you have to do is swipe down at the top like this, swipe down once more. And at the top here, tap on the power button. This will open up your power screen. And then in here, tap on the restart button. Then tap on restart. Once your phone restarts, it will exit safe mode and then it go back into a normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, so here the phone is booting up normally and not in safe mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.